MeghalayaPost.news.
Kum ga jingai peteng ya ka polisi trekam jong ka sarkar jala ka ba phai khmat ban ai jing kersan na banta ban penbit penbiang ya ki jaka ai jing sumar ski pajba baru ban kersan ya ki jaka ai jing sumar non profit hospital u menteri rang ba ka jala u Conrad Sangma menta singi ul Aiti ya ka song pisa ka balakot si Klur sha Nazareth hospital shillong habakren ka jinglang menta ka singi ha Nazareth hospital shillong u menteri rang ba ka jala u Conrad Sangma u laong ba ka sarkar jala kadang peteng ban pendap ya ka thong ba ka labu bat kum ka sarkar jala ka khampai khmat ban penbit penbiang hakaliang ka koi jakya ulang ru ka sarkar jala Meghalaya kade ka sarkar ka bakhammang bun ka pisa na menta ki jinokam ha ka tanat ka ko jakya habai nujor bakiwe ki jing penmang tengka ki jala hakari bat ka thong hi kalong ban Pynjanai susu ya ki jing donkam na menta ka ko jakya ki pajba ha ka jala kathong ka sarkar kalong bat kersan tikna na benta ka jingbit jingbiang hakaliang ka jing ai jing sumar ki pajba maru ban ai jing sumar hakata ka dor ka ba kilonging beduk kin kot bor bakum ka sarkar ka don kata ka jingetre net kersan lang ya ki hospital bo pher hapo ka jala bat benrap ru ba ka sarkar ka don ya kathong baki jaka ajing sumar kini rangkat dor bat kiwe ki jaka ajing sumar hakari.
And we started off with many challenges in the beginning, and to be very frank, we were quite lost as to where to start because things were very complicated for us. But as they always say that every long journey starts with the first step. We started doing small things, and slowly and steadily we started to see a lot of change. I just want to share with you that we have been very committed in spite of the fact that we have huge challenges. Today, Meghalaya spends, in terms of percentage, Meghalaya spends the highest amount of its budget on the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend approximately 8% plus, and a large amount of it is going to overall improving the infrastructure and overall the equipments, the different centers, upgrading them, providing them different support, and therefore a lot of effort has gone in from the government side to improve the overall health sector and the infrastructure from the government's point of view. But we realize that apart from the government institutions, there are many other players in the health sector who are contributing, as mentioned by Sister, are contributing silently to the overall healthcare sector, and especially the citizens from very economically poor and weak backgrounds. And people don't realize it because people don't test, but because of the sugar level, the organs start to fail, and it was mentioned that kidneys are affected because of that. And I was asking them, how come now? Because the lifestyle is different. Today we are having all sugar-based products. Our genes, I can say in one way, from the northeast, our body type, we're not used to having too much of sweets and sugar. Our ancestors were more, meat eaters and so on and so forth. So all of these things are very interesting, and we hope that we'll be able to take this forward and give more support, I should say. And so Christian Hospital, the Mission Hospital, is doing this in Tura, and they're going to be really be able to help people. Earlier, people had to travel all the way to Guwahati just for a dialysis, which means every week traveling up and down to Guwahati and coming back, spending money to stay there, the difficulty in traveling. So I really felt very happy when I heard that they will be able to set up a state-of-the-art center for treatment for kidney-related complications. So like that, similarly, the Holy Cross Hospital in Tura is going to put up state-of-the-art 280 kilowatt solar power unit out there, which means that they will no longer be on the grid, and their entire system will be 24/7 on this power system that is almost close to 300 kilowatt, the largest maybe any institute will have. So very interesting work is coming out. Here also I think Sister has already explained what they plan to do, but let me just put it on record, Sister, that you are free to use these funds as you wish. Let me put it very, very clear.
MeghalayaPost.news.